Welcome to the NewsRamp Nonprofit Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Tuesday afternoon, August 6th, 2024, and we have a lineup of nonprofit headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Dr. Anosh Ahmed's Anosh Inc. Foundation announces major expansion of philanthropic efforts. The Anosh Inc. Foundation, a charitable initiative founded by Dr. Anosh Ahmed, has announced its largest program expansion to date. The foundation will launch 5 new programs focusing on healthcare access, education, youth mentorship, food security, and senior care. Seeking community partners to amplify impact, the foundation aims to address critical issues through initiatives like a mobile health clinic, youth mentorship program, community garden project, technology initiative, and senior care program. Volunteers and donations are welcome to support these vital programs as the foundation continues its mission of social and economic development for underserved communities. Hundreds attend the Citizens Commission on Human Rights hosted event in honor of Purple Heart Day. The Citizens Commission on Human Rights recently hosted an event in honor of Purple Heart Day at the historic Fort Harrison in Clearwater, Florida. The event, attended by hundreds, paid tribute to U.S. military members and veterans who received a Purple Heart for their sacrifice. Speakers included Robert Groover, Father Bob Swick, Commander Mal Klingon, and Brian Halstead, who emphasized the importance of community, purpose, and spirituality in preventing veteran suicides. Diane Stein, president of the Florida chapter of CCHR, highlighted the risks of prescribing psychiatric drugs to soldiers and veterans. The event concluded with a rendition of taps and a group photo of Purple Heart recipients. For more information on CCHR and their efforts to prevent military suicides, call 800-782-2878. ConnectHER Weekend, 3 days of igniting brilliance and building sisterhood with a powerhouse lineup of inspiring women. ConnectHER Weekend is hosting a 3-day retreat in Atlanta, GA, from August 16th to 18th, 2024, featuring influential speakers like Dr. Tammy Barnett and Dr. Nicole Anderson. The event aims to redefine success, embrace authenticity, and ignite passions. A percentage of ticket sales will benefit I Will Survive, Inc., supporting those affected by breast cancer. The lineup includes women leaders like Marnice Miller, Toni S. Brown, Lauren Hurston, Brittany Dong Samuels, Piper Grigsby, and Tori J. Andrews, offering insights and advice for personal and professional growth. Founder Tammy Barnett emphasizes the importance of building relationships and connections. The event is sponsored by HCRC, Her Wine, Vinover Legal and Consulting, Kingdom Dentistry, and Infinite Destinations Travel. To register, visit the website.
Comcast supports California park fire relief efforts. Comcast is providing technology, financial, and community support for those affected by California's park fire. They are offering internet and TV services at the Chico-based Local Assistance Center, opening 1,100 Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspots in Butte and Tehama counties for free use, and donating $70,000 to 6 organizations aiding in fire relief efforts. Residents impacted by the fire can access resources at the Chico LAC, located at 2156 Pillsbury Road. To connect to Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspots, visit xfinity.com/Wi-Fi and select Xfinity Wi-Fi Network. Customers can download Comcast's mobile apps for updates during outages and prepare for emergencies. For more information, visit california.comcast.com.
Los Defensores celebrates 40 years of dedicated service and community empowerment. Los Defensores, the first nationwide and leading brand committed to connecting the Latino community across the United States to qualified legal services, proudly marks a significant milestone: 4 decades of unwavering dedication and service. Since 1984, Los Defensores has been the leading nationwide brand empowering Latinos by connecting them to the legal services they need. At the upcoming 40th anniversary gala on August 15th, hosted at the Peterson Automotive Museum, Los Defensores will unveil a groundbreaking community initiative. This new effort will significantly advance the company's long-standing commitment to corporate social responsibility and community empowerment.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Nonprofit Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.